Hey friend, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. We will learn how to crochet this motif today. It uses chains, single crochets, double crochets, and trebles. I would say it's more on an advanced beginner to intermediate level, but if you are feeling adventurous and if you'd like to learn a little more, feel free to try this. You cannot always be stuck in the beginner level. You need to advance. So start with this one, try it. I hope you'll like it. The yarn that I'm going to be using today is the Vanna's Choice Lion Brand yarn, medium 4. It requires a size 6mm hook, but because I crochet loosely, I'm using a 5.5mm hook or a I9. At the end of this video, I'm gonna pin the chart. Well, not pin, I will add the chart and I'll make sure the length is good enough for you to make a screenshot if you are more of a chart person. As always, leave me a comment down telling me what you see yourself using this motif for, what projects would you use it for, or what ideas you could share with others what they can use this for. And if you're here for the first time or you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Ring the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. Grab your yarn, crochet hook, give this video a thumbs up. Let's get to work. We'll start with a slip knot. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slip stitch into the first chain. Chain 1. Make it loose because you are gonna have to slip stitch into it at the end of the round, and work 11 single crochets into the circle. 1, 2, 3. Now let's chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 counts as a treble plus chain 3. So treble plus chain 3. Into this very first single crochet, we're gonna put a puff stitch or 4 trebles together. Yarn over twice, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over twice, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we got 2. Yarn over twice, do the same the third time, and yarn over twice the fourth time. There we have our 4 unfinished trebles. Yarn over, pull through all the loops. That is our 4 trebles together. Chain 3, a treble into the next single crochet, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Chain 3 again, and here the repeat starts. Into the next, we will put 4 trebles together. Don't finish it. Start another one. Don't finish that one. Start the third and the fourth. Got that? Yarn over, pull through all the loops. Chain 3. And treble into the next. And this is how you're gonna go all the way around. So you're gonna have to have 6 petals of these and 6 trebles. So you got already 3 trebles and 2 petals. Go all the way around, I'll meet you here. And to finish off the round, I'm gonna chain 3 and slip stitch into the 4th chain from the beginning. Like so. And this is what we have: 6 petals, 6 trebles, This is round number 2. For the next round, we will chain 5. The chain 1 counts as a single crochet plus chain 4, and we'll put a single crochet into the same space. So this will count as a single crochet, chain 4, single crochet, then chain 3. We'll put a double crochet on top of the 4 double crochets together, like so. We'll chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're gonna slip stitch into the first chain back, like so. It's like a little loop on top of the double crochet. Now we're gonna chain 3, and we'll work into the treble. We'll put single crochet, chain 4, single crochet into the same space. Let me show you one more time. This is what we have. So chain 3, double crochet on top of the petal, and then you're gonna chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go back and slip stitch into the first chain, like so, and then chain 3. When you go on top of work on top of the treble, single crochet, chain 4, single crochet, and do this all the way around. And to finish off the round, you're gonna chain 3 and slip stitch into the first chain from the round, the one that we counted as a single crochet. I actually want to grab 2 loops so it's more secure, like so. And now you can see the loops on top of the double crochet, the little loops on top of the trebles. Like, I mean, if you are working with a super thin yarn and want to make snowflakes, I think I would stop here. To be honest, it looks like a snowflake to me. With a super thin yarn and starch it, and you got a snowflake. Or here's another idea: if you are working with thread, this could be a really nice earring or a middle of a necklace. I mean, the possibilities and the ideas are endless. But let's continue with the tutorial. For the next round, we're gonna slip stitch into the space and chain 3. We need 2 trebles together, so a full treble is 4 chains. This one is unfinished treble, so let's add another unfinished treble. Yarn over twice, insert the hook into the space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and here we have 2 unfinished trebles. We'll yarn over and pull through 2, and this way these 2 look like 2 trebles together. Chain 2 and add 2 trebles together into the same space. 1 and 2, like so. We'll chain 2 and we'll move into this loop that we made on top of the double crochet. Here we're gonna put 4 groups of 2 trebles together, separated by chain 2. Sounds like a mouthful, but it's doable. So we're gonna put a group of 2 trebles together, 1 and the second one, like so. Chain 2. Now add the second, third, and fourth group and separate them by chain 2. See? It's not that complicated once you take the time to break it down. So this is the second group, chain 2. Let's add the third group, and chain 2, and add the fourth group. So sometimes people want to get everything from, immediately, but often you have to slow down and break it down and grasp the idea. like so. Chain 2, and here the repeat starts. We're moving into the next little loop. Here we're gonna put 2 groups of 2 trebles together, separated by chain 2. So first group, 2 trebles together, chain 2, 1 more group into the same spot. There we go. Now you chain 2, and you are going to be alternating 4 2 4 2 4 2 4 2 4 2. Oh no, this is what I and I'm gonna meet you right here to finish the round. Basically everything is separated by chain 2, and to finish off the round I'm gonna chain 2 and slip stitch on top of the this first group, like so. And let's look at all this gorgeousness. So this is what you should be looking at, the alternation of 2 4 2 4. Everything is split with chain 2 all the way around, and the 4 groups go on top of the double crochets, and the groups of 2 are into the single crochets right here. Anyway, and let's go and do our last round. We're gonna slip stitch into the chain 2 space, chain 1, that counts as a single crochet, and then we'll add chain 3, so total of 4 chains. And we'll single crochet into the next chain 2 space, chain 3, single crochet into the next chain 2 space, and this is our repeat: chain 3, single crochet into the next chain 2 space, chain 3 again into the next, all the way around. We're gonna slip stitch into the chain 2 space to the left, so chain 1 counts as a single crochet plus chain 3, so total of 4 chains. Single crochet into the next chain 3 space, chain 2 space, chain 3, single crochet into the next space. So when you get into the space between the 4 groups, so chain 3, in this space you're gonna put single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, only when you reach the groups of 4 in between them. So next will be chain 3, single crochet into the next chain 2 space, chain 3, single crochet into the next, chain 3 into the next, chain 3 again into the next, chain 3 again into the next. I hope I didn't bore you. And we got again in between the groups, so we're gonna chain 3, and here single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, and move on. So you're gonna put 2 single crochet, chain 3, single crochet only in between the groups of 4 all the way around. And to finish off the round, I'm gonna chain 3 and slip stitch into the first chain of the round, the one that we considered as a single crochet. So chain 1, pull a long tail. And this is the finished motif. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give it a thumbs up if you did, if you learned something new today. Subscribe, ring the notification bell, share this with either your friends or your crocheting group. And you can hear my steamer on the background. Anyway, you enjoy your week. I will see you soon. Bye.